Paul, we'll be watching DBS at the start of trade in Singapore in a moment. This after Southeast Asia's largest lender posted its first annual profit drop in 4 years. Still, CEO Piyush Gupta is striking an upbeat tone for the year ahead. Let's cross to Bloomberg Intelligence senior analyst Diksha Gera. Diksha, so DBS reporting 26% profit drop for the full year. That would be 33% down for the fourth quarter. What do you make of these numbers?
Yeah, hi, good morning. I think these numbers should come as a relief for people worrying about the COVID impact on Singapore banks. Profit fell, but pre-provision profit was still up a little bit by 2% for the year. So bulk of it was basically provisions. Asset quality trends seem encouraging. Delinquencies remain low. Loans under moratorium have been inching down. So these are all very healthy trends. And the other thing with the wealth management income, total was down 7% year on year, but I think that's purely part of it is interest rates. The key number to watch there is the AUMs, which rose 7%, and the wealth fee, which was up 21%. So there is a lot of hope and optimism in the numbers, as far as I can see.
Okay, so some healthy trends there that you've identified. What does that mean for the 2021 outlook?
So I think the high provisions, 3.1 billion for the year, it takes the sting away from the potential impact of COVID in 2021. Provisions should go down this year if management is able to deliver on the 3 to 5 billion target. January trends look interesting, and the wealth management interest in Singapore, that positions DBS in good stead for a healthy recovery this year. The only cause of worry that I have is interest rates keeping margins under pressure, but the base effect and the economic recovery are solid tailwinds for the Singapore banks, including DBS.
Well, they did announce that digital exchange launch in December, and now we have Bitcoin touching record highs. So how do you think that plays into the broader strategy?
So digital currencies are seeing rising acceptance and interest, not just in the region, but globally, right? And it's not just Bitcoin, but also the central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs as you call them. A majority of central banks globally are thinking about those launches. China launched the digital yuan last year, and they're speeding for a nationwide launch before the Olympics. I think all of these trends kind of help DBS to kind of benefit from that rise in tokenization products and digital assets. And some of the industry projections show this could grow 24 times in the next 7 years. The other thing that it also does is it provides a hedge against the tail risk that banks get affected with this whole disintermediation from digital currencies. So I think it kind of plays well to their strategy of being a tech leader within the region.
All right, Bloomberg Intelligence senior analyst Diksha Gera there. Let's take a look at some of the other